Hey YouTube, it's SJ and today we're looking at the on-feet review of the Air Max 1 in Beach Camo. Let's go take a look. Hey YouTube, it's SJ and I'm back, and I hope you enjoyed that little on foot of the Nike Air Max 1 in Beach Camo. Ta-da! As you could see, the camo really works against the scorched earth that we have here in the UK at the moment because it has been so hot. It's been so hot. But anyway, back to the sneaker. Really like this shoe. Not a lot more to say really, other than it is fire. Still don't understand why it's sitting here in the UK. It is an epic shoe. Quality on this is amazing for the Air Max, because normally, as I said before, Air Max quality is but this is very much but yeah, not a lot else to say other than I really like this shoe a lot, and I'm rocking it a lot as well. But yeah, that's it really. So apart from that, not much more from me, other than if you like this video, give us the old thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the old subscribe button. Thank you to everybody that has subscribed. We're on our way to 1,000, which is my target, subs, which would be awesome. And don't forget to join us on Sunday for Sneaker Streaming Sunday, and we're uploading on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So see you on their next upload. Over and out.